In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change vendor name in Shopify. Changing the vendor name is really useful if you're rebranding, organizing your products better, or correcting old information. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change inside your Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin page where you can see your store overview, including things like orders, products, and customers. We're going to be working from here for the entire process. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This section contains all of the items you sell in your store. If you have a lot of products, you'll see them listed in a table with details like title, price, and inventory. Don't worry if your list looks long or a bit overwhelming. We're only going to focus on the product you want to update. Next, from the list of products, click on the specific product whose vendor name you'd like to change. You can either scroll to find it or use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the product name. Once you click on it, Shopify will open the product details page. This is where you can adjust things like the title, description, images, pricing, and more. On this product page, scroll down until you find the section called Product Organization. In this area, Shopify lets you control how your product is grouped and categorized within your store. Look for the field labeled Vendor. This is the field that controls the vendor name associated with this product. Click into the vendor field. You'll see the current vendor name there. Simply delete or backspace over the existing name, and then type in the new vendor name you want to use. Take a moment to double check your spelling here, especially if you're standardizing vendor names across multiple products. Consistent spelling will help keep your collections and filters clean. Once you've entered the new vendor name, scroll back up or down to find the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. Shopify will take a moment to update, and once it's saved, the new vendor name is now linked to that